Two people in Douglas County are recovering in the hospital after exposure to carbon monoxide. The wife called 911 last night saying her husband was having a heart attack and later a seizure. The dispatcher urged the pair to leave their home as soon as possible after learning they had just turned on their furnace. State fire officials are kicking off a statewide push to save lives from the silent killer.
Today, 8 Minnesota fire departments are installing carbon monoxide alarms in homes at no cost. Barrett Leone has more from the newsroom.
Because you can't see it, taste it, or smell it, carbon monoxide can build up to toxic and sometimes deadly levels. That's why state fire officials say that prevention and education is key, especially as we head into the colder months. The state fire marshal is teaming up with the Rochester Fire Department to talk about CO poisoning and prevention across the state. Together, they're handing out 2,500 alarms to cities like Austin, Bemidji, and Red Wing. Organizers say it's focusing on communities at higher risk for CO poisoning. During the announcement this morning, we heard from a mother whose two sons died from carbon monoxide poisoning in 1996. The loss inspired federal legislation in their names. She says having an alarm is the difference between life and death.
We are out here advocating for alarms in every home because that is really the only way that you will know that you have this monster that is a killer in your home.
A total of 8 cities will get free carbon monoxide alarms. And this program is possible thanks to federal grants, including a Carbon Monoxide Poisoning Prevention Act named after Cheryl's sons, Nicholas and Zachary Burt. Reporting in the newsroom, Barrett Leone, WCCO News.